camber adjustment plate for Ford Focus. Problem: improper camber causing tire wear and handling problems. Solution: our patented camber adjustment plate is easily installed on top of the factory top pivot plate. It allows positive and negative camber adjustment of 1 degree in 1/4 degree increments while retaining factory ride and handling characteristics. This kit must be installed on both sides of the vehicle. Inspect the vehicle for bent, worn, or loose components and repairs necessary. Check the alignment and determine the amount of camber change required. Raise the vehicle so suspension hangs freely and supports safely. Remove the tire and wheel assembly. Disconnect the sway bar link from the strut using 2 wrenches to keep the link from spinning. Remove the ABS wire from the steering knuckle. Remove the tie rod end nut. Using a suitable tool, remove the tie rod from the steering knuckle. Remove the pinch bolt from the knuckle at the base of strut. Using a suitable tool, such as our strut and knuckle separator, push the knuckle from the bottom of strut. Use a tarp strap or other suitable device to secure the knuckle from falling outward. Remove the nuts from studs holding the strut to the fender. Remove the strut assembly and mount in a strut vise. Using a tie rod separator, remove the factory mounting studs from the top strut plate and discard. Locate the proper camber offset plate left or right. Install 3 longer Allen bolts through the single beveled holes. Place the plate on top of the strut with the L or R facing outward with respect to how the plate will be oriented in the fender. Note, this is for positive camber change. For negative change, the right plate is installed on the left strut with the alphabetical character inward and the left plate on the right strut with the alphabetical character inward. Place 3 shorter Allen bolts through serrated holes in the camber plate and through the factory strut plate. Install the nuts onto bolts, but do not tighten at this time. Determine the amount of camber offset required. Slide camber plates so bolts match index marks in all 3 locations. Torque the bolts to 25 foot-pounds, 35 Newton meters. Reinstall the strut into fender. Install washers and nuts, but do not tighten at this time. Install knuckle onto bottom of the strut. Align the tab on the strut with a split in the knuckle. Push the knuckle up to proper location on the strut. Use of a bottle jack is recommended. Apply Loctite to the pinch bolt and torque to manufacturer specification. Reattach the ABS wire. Install and torque the sway bar link nut. Replace the tie rod end and torque to manufacturer specification. Torque the top strut nuts to 25 foot-pounds, 35 Newton meters. Repeat procedure on the other side of the vehicle. Proceed with the rest of the alignment and road test the vehicle.